Welcome to our channel. Today we are going with Lab 5. Build your DB server and interact with your DB using an app. Go to VPC. And choose Security Groups. Click on Create Security Group. Click on Add Role. Select Type. Web Security Group. We will use this security group when launching the Amazon RDS database. Now to create DB subnet group, go to RDS. And on left pane choose subnet groups. We will use this DB subnet group when creating the database in the next task. Now go to Databases. Choose Create Database. Wait approximately 4 minutes for the database to be available and info changes to modifying are available. Info changes to modifying are available. Scroll down to the Connectivity and Security section and copy the endpoint field and store it in Notepad. Copy the webserver IP address. Paste the webserver IP address and press Enter. The web application will be displayed. Now click on RDS link at the top of the page. Configure the application to connect to your database. Paste the endpoint you copied to a text editor earlier, and configure other entries. The address book application is using the RDS database to store information. We can add, edit, and remove contacts. So here we got our lab completed. Do comment your suggestions, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.